Right, weekend away camping in Pembrokeshire. The question is, do we pack light and keep it easy, or do we go all out? Definitely go all out. Might be just 2 nights and just the 2 of us, but this is our first trip away since lockdown, so we're having some luxury, even if it does mean fighting it into the car. First off, coffee. Always a drive-through Starbucks when we go to Wales. Not on purpose, just seems to always be the one. At the campsite, build our little village of luxury. Quick beer. Did you see those rocks on the way in? Jump in the car, spot the trig, Heather is out, good timing. Take in the view, make the most of the rock to scramble over. Not going to be much of that this weekend. Few stories for the gram, obviously. Hold on, is that a lighthouse? Let's go down. Quick look around, jump back in the car and head over to the lagoon. Busy, so let's get out of here. Back at the campsite, open some beers, light the barbecue, day 1 done. Day 2, eggs on toast, coffee, head off to the coast to explore, walk, relax. Find some seals taken in the sun, they've got the right idea. Let's head back to the campsite and get some of those pizzas they were making. Slippers on, few drinks and watch the sun go down. Day 2 done. Day 3, round the tent back in the car, who cares about packing it properly. Head out for coffee, pasty and ice cream. Go down to the beach, make the most of the last bit of coast for a while. Successful weekend away done.